All right, YouTube. So I got the new screw in, as you can see. No popping at all. No popping at all. No popping at all. That right there. Only difference is it's silver. As you can see, no popping or cracking. So you want to get they're called Hinge screws for your Chrysler 200, Jeep, all that. And actually it is a star fitted Allen drill bit, which is this right here. And the actual drill bit for that, it's a bigger screw, so I had to get a bigger bit. But this one, it's as you can see it, it's a Torx T40 drill bit. So yeah, no popping, no cracking, you all good. This is C-Mac 200. Back again. I'll let you in the next one. Peace.